Hi guys, and welcome in. Tonight is part 2 of a series. I want to do one pot of Sunday sauce I made and how I make 4 meals from it over the next 4 days if I want. Okay? The first night I made 2 pounds of sauce with 8 sausage links. That was the first meal. Tonight is the second. I'm going to make it for you and show you, and I'm taking you from the beginning. A little bit different, right? Okay, so we have 2 containers left over after we did the sausage and sauce. So let's get that out. I need my onion, fresh onion. I have a red pepper I bought. Where is it? Where's my red pepper? Let me see. I don't see it. I have a green one. Leftovers. Okay. Where is it? That is it. There it is. I have a red one. Okay. We have a red pepper. Hold that. I have a green. I have onion. I'm not sure I'm going to use the red pepper. I don't have to if I don't want to, but we might. Let's see. Ooh, I have something exciting. The leftover potato, too. Let's throw that in. Let's have some fun with that. I hope everybody liked the cheeseburger casserole. That was delicious. I had it for lunch as well. Absolutely scrumptious. I hope you guys give it a shot and make it because it was delightful. Just give me a second, guys, because I'm looking for my other onion, but I guess it's on the table. Yeah, it's out there. I got to use that one. And I think I'm going to use both peppers. Okay, let's see. Let's get it rolling here. We need a pan. Okay. I'm going to use a shallow one. We don't need much height for this. This is also a loaf of bread I bought for Vinny the other day. I froze it so that I could make this. I love to stretch my food, okay? I'm not frugal, but I naturally just have a method in a way. I told you guys I cook intentionally. This is the best example of that. I mean, I took the day to make the sauce on Sunday, but it's worth it, and it's effortless. I make Sunday sauce like I could do it with my eyes closed. But the benefits you reap, I can eat all week from it. I really could. And I said, well, why don't I show it? And that's what I'm here. Put up or shut up. I'm going to show you guys exactly. And every meal is going to be wonderful, new, and different. I'm going to get 2 meals out of that sausage itself because I think I have like 4 links left. Not sure. We will check. Okay. Let's get this going. I love red peppers because they're sweet. Okay. I don't worry about the seeds because it's not hot. So no need to, they can stay in, stay out, whatever they want. Don't matter to me. Now this is just a lonely green pepper, which you know what? I don't even think I need it. I'm not going to use it because I got the potato for the potato. I'm going to cut the onion up. Okay. I'll move this over so you can see a little bit better. I'm basically just cutting up an onion. That's all I'm doing here. Not rocket science. Nothing special. But the finished dish is the joy. That's the fun. That's the good stuff. Okay, now this dish, I'm going to start showing you in a minute. Let me get rid of all the dead ends. Okay, let me get this out. We need more onion. I think a half is good here. Again, I'll wind up saving a half. Yeah, let me use the smaller half so I have some left for another meal with those sausages because I will get another meal out of that. And I'm going to use that onion. See, everything I think of what's in my home. Like I'm doing this now. Yesterday, I did the cheeseburger casserole. Now, I told you I knew I had this potato. I'm not going to waste it. I'm going to use it. It's just going to beef up tonight's meal. It's awesome. Get it all down. And I'm going to dice it really small because I want it to cook in here easily. And this is going to beef up this dish. Okay. We're ready for oil and whatever else we want to put. Get a little flame. Get a little butter. Butter makes everything better, right? Okay, we got our sauce. I just posted it's the same day today. If I'm a little tired or seem out of the sorts, we did the fireplace today. I stained it, yes, with Gravy Master. Here is the container. My bottle broke last year, and I saved it because I didn't want to waste it, and that's the amount I had. Gravy Master. Who knew? It's a beautiful stain. Okay, let me get the butter in there. Let's get some olive oil going. Okay. Put everything in the pan. Everybody in the pool. We've got onions, red peppers, and potatoes. Okay. Everybody in all at once. This is an effortless dinner, but delicious. Okay. This may even be better than the asparagus. And what did I do there? Asparagus and potato with the tomato sauce. Let me just rinse my hands, guys. I'm a little tired. I'm loving my fireplace in the bedroom. Vinny installed, but did not finish, the bookshelves. They're assembled, I should say. We're waiting on the lighting, which is going to take another 2 days. And then I'm ready to rock and roll. Once he gets the lighting in, I'm ready to decorate. I've already played around with it because you know I can't look at it naked for 2 days. So I have books on them already. Okay, that's on Janine's life. Take a peek. Go over there if you can, guys. Give it some love. Okay, now I'm going to season it up. I'm going to let this all... I got to get a fork. The spoon's not working right. Let's put some garlic. You could put fresh if you want with the onions. I'm putting this to take a shortcut because I'm tired. I'm going to put some pepper. Okay. I think I have some Italian seasoning. Yes, I do. I'm going to put Italian seasoning. You rarely see me use this, but in this dish it's good. Great flavor. And maybe a little bit of onion powder extra. Okay. And let's have fun. A little bit of paprika. And you'll see why in a minute. I could even do cumin if I wanted. And I'll explain. Okay. That's that. Let me have a sip of pino. All right. Where's my fork? Okay. Now let this all start to simmer away. Soften up. What do they say? Sweat. Let them all sweat. Okay. Oh, looks fabulous. Smells wonderful. Let's get one of those sausage links out so you can see. I'll have enough for another dinner or two. We had 3 of them the first day. I think I made 8. 6 or 8. These are regular sweet Italian sausage. I have 5 left. I'm going to put probably just 1 in here because I'm not eating this tonight. I had fried chicken. I cheated on my diet. Vinny's going to have this for himself with crusty bread. Let me get this link out, this sausage link for him. And I'll probably add this in last because I'm going to slice it up. Okay. This is meal 2 from Sunday's sauce. Okay. That's what we're doing. My little series of stretching your food. All right. Let me get the other components out. All right, I got 2 eggs here. Let me put the onion in the bag, save it. Okay, now, so let's end the mystery. This dish is called many names, different things, different countries. I think it originated in Israel or Africa. I'm not sure. It's called shakshuka. That's just one region in the world, one name. And this is by no means traditional, but the components that are the red pepper and the tomato sauce and the egg. It's basically the technique of cooking a sauce with vegetables, whatever you like. I'm doing potatoes here, you can see. And peppers, it's what I have, and onion. If you only had onion and peppers, that would be fine. The beauty of this dish is you can make it yours. Okay? Italians, I've seen Giada make this on her channel many years ago, and they called it eggs in purgatory. Because as these soften a bit, I'm getting all the flavors to blend. I'm going to pour some of the sauce, let it simmer until the potatoes are fork tender and the peppers and onion are nice and soft and cooked. I'm going to crumble in the sausage, and then I'm going to poach 2 eggs in the center of the sauce, and I'll show you that. But for now, let's let this cook down till the next phase. I'm going to add the sauce in front of you. Okay. Let's see how much we need. I'm going to make it my own. You see how delicious? I'm going to make it my own and add a little white wine because it's mine. Oh, I have red if I want it. Should I? I don't know. No, I don't feel like going over there. Let me do this. I'm going to do a splash of white wine. Alrighty. And that is my idea of shaky shakshuka. I don't call it that. I don't call it eggs in purgatory. I just call it eggs in sauce because that leaves the door open for anything you want to put. Okay? This is the perfect leftover meal, and that's probably how it was generated, I bet you. You know, in any region, in Italy, Africa, Israel. It's just simple tomato sauce and vegetables. I like doing it with my fresh marinara. That's the way I had it when I first made it. That's what I like. I'm sure you can use jar sauce and do the same thing I'm doing. You could dice your vegetables if you like them smaller. This is a very personal, forgiving dish. That's what I love about it. You put whatever you want and whatever you got in the refrigerator. If I had a zucchini, I'd chop it and put it in. If I had broccoli left over, I had a potato. And I had onion. I always have onion in the house. It's one thing. If you have onions around and some other veggie, even frozen, you can do this in pantry pasta sauce in a jar. You could whip this up in 30 minutes. Everybody's got eggs in their fridge, right? And it's also a nice light dinner if you don't want to have heavy meat or anything. Okay. Now this is going to soften, like I said, when the potatoes are nice and soft and ready. I'll come and show you part 2 of it. In the meantime, I'm going to probably slice up the sausage. Okay, guys. Everything is softened to deliciousness. Tender, the potatoes, the peppers. I diced up the sausage and put that in there. Nice and revived delish. Now, there's what we do. You make a well, you can make a couple. If you had 4 eggs, you would do 4 holes. Obviously, you could see how much abundance I have here. The beauty of this dish is it's mostly vegetables and you don't need a lot of meat or any meat. It's really basically a vegetable tomato sauce egg dish. Now you take the eggs and you crack them into the center. You make a well. And now They're going to cook in the well. We're going to cover it. And we're going to basically poach them in the sauce. And then he's going to get some crusty bread, which I've toasted on the side. We're going to put it all around. Okay, so now I'm going to cover it. I'm going to cover it. And let it spread out a little bit. There you go. And we'll come back when they're nice and covered over and glossed over and ready to plate. Okay, guys, they're almost ready. And I'm going to get the bread out of the toaster and prepare my plate for him. Beautiful semolina. I just toasted it in my new toaster with the wide slots. We're going to put that around the side. Well, I'll wait till it's ready. This is going to be delicious, okay? And now this little bit, nothing gets wasted. I have a little bit left. I'm going to put it in here, and that's going to be for a personal pizza, the way I make him the air fryer pizza. My food stretches, or I should say I stretch it. Nothing gets wasted. This is going to be a delicious pizza sauce, a hero. If I want to make him a sausage hero another day. This has not been frozen yet, so it will get frozen now. Okay, let's see. There they go. See? Now, that's up to you how runny you want them, how cooked. But when you put them in this dish like this, oh my God, it's going to be delicious. I like to put the bread in it. Maybe a little messy. Like I said, I haven't done this. It don't matter. It don't matter. The presentation is not as perfect as it should be for this dish, but you get the gist of it. Give him some sausage and some of these potatoes around the side. Okay. Like I said, the amount of runniness that is remaining in the eggs or how long you cook them is up to you. I know for a fact, Vinny likes his, he gets sunny side over where I'm like, that's not cooked. The top of that egg is not cooked. But that's how he likes it, you know. So this is a perfect dish for him. It's runny. Their eggs are runny. He loves trying to get the sausage and potato over here. Okay. He won't finish this whole thing. I know him. And then we take our nice little crusty bread and we put that for him. Guys, this is a feast. Okay. If you like eggs and you like sausage and all the goodness, look at that. Shakshuka, my way. Janine shakshuka. Okay. I hope you can see it. See, it's starting to run. He's going to dip that bread and grab up. All right, guys, until the next video, bon appetit. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.